Okay.
We are ready.
Yeah, we did at the first period problem 1 and problem 3. Now we'll do problem 4. Yeah, we did the first equation. Zahra did the first equation. She said that Amal buys a pizza. She divides this pizza into 8 equal parts. So the total number of equal parts here equals 8. At lunch she eats 2, then at dinner she eats another 2. So how much did she eat in both at lunch and at dinner? She eats 4 out of 8. Right, 4 out.
Which page?
She eats
150.
150. She eats 4 parts out of 8. So as if it's the half of the pizza, mahek?
Yes.
So it's the same as half. Yani 4 over 8, the same as half. Half of the pizza. So she ate half of the pizza. Now, what fraction of pizza is left, measured?
Yes.
Yeah. How do we write the fraction?
8 over 8 minus 4 over 8 equal 4.
Exactly. So the whole pizza represents
4 over 8.
So
4 over 8.
So the whole pizza represents 1 or 8 out of 8. Okay? So from the whole pizza, she ate how many pieces?
4.
4 out of 8.
Out of
1 the same as 8 over 8. We will remove 4 parts out of 8. So 8 minus 4.
4.
4 out of 8.
of
So 4
4.
parts are left. So the same as half. Okay? So half of the pizza. So the answer 4 over 8. 4 over 8 of the pizza are left. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Just 1 minute.
You did it correct?
Yes, I do it correct.
So the whole pizza represents as 1 or 8 over 8, okay?
Miss, this equation عملت equals 4 over 8 عملت equals 1 over 2.
Yes. لأنه ال 4 over 8, it's the half of the pizza. Look, I will color 4 parts out of 8. It represents half of the pizza. ما هيك يا جاد؟
half. Okay.
Yes, half. Half of it.
Okay.
She ate half and we still have half, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go now to page 151.
Yeah, I'm not done.
Yalla, hurry up, please, ya
But
Asil.
I didn't understand the equation very well.
Which one? The second one?
Yes.
Okay, the second one. We will write the fraction, what fraction of pizza is left. طيب. From the whole pizza, ya Jad, I will remove how many pieces? How many pieces did she eat?
4.
4. طب what do I mean by whole pizza? How will I write the fraction that represents the whole pizza? Whole, كلها. It represents as 8 of 8 or 1. We can write 1, we can write 8 over 8. Okay? So from the whole pizza, it means 8 over 8. She ate 4 parts out of 8. So I will remove 4 parts out of 8. We still have 4 out of 8. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, mine is correct, but I did not add so many things like you.
Okay. طيب. Fatima Qurani, did you attend, Fatima?
I have the answer 4 over 8.
Okay, good, bravo. Yeah. Let's go back to page 151 now. Problem 7. Yeah. Okay. Ren Jamal. Ren. رنيم كفل.
Yes.
Read problem 7 please.
Okay. Fadi rides his bicycle every Saturday and Sunday. He rides 2 and 3/8 kilometer on Saturday and 2 and 1/4 kilometer on Sunday. On which day does his cover more distance?
How more kilometers does he cover? Okay, so here we are comparing command between two different days, Saturday and Sunday. So it look like which problems?
Sunday.
Sunday.
Look like which
Yeah.
problems?
Problem 2 and
Problem
Yes.
2 and 3, exactly.
2
Type.
and 3.
Fadi rides his bicycle every Saturday and Sunday. He rides
Yeah.
2 and 3/8 kilometers on Saturday, whereas he rides how many kilometers on Sunday?
on Sunday 2
On Sunday,
1/4 kilometers.
1/4.
The question is, Ranim, yes, I know Fatima. Ranim, on which day does he cover more distance? On Saturday or on Sunday? Which one is more? 2 3/8 or 2 1/4? How do we
the common denominator.
exactly? So how do we compare them?
Find
We'll see the
Change to fraction.
Ranim, we will change the mixed numbers to fractions in order to compare them. Yeah. So we will compare now in order to check on which day does he cover more distance, on Saturday or on Sunday. So we have to compare the two mixed numbers together.
Sunday.
Muhammad, stay mute, please. Yeah. 2 3/8. Write it as a fraction.
Yes, we
Yalla ya Ranim. How do we change it to a fraction?
it will be 19/8.
2 times 8, 16, plus 3, 19/8. Bravo. The second one.
Make,
2 times
12/8.
Why
2
12? 2 times 4. Ranim, 2 times 4.
just 8
Plus
8
1.
9
9/4. Type. Now here, Ranim, you will compare 19/8 by 9/4. How do we compare these two fractions? Both have different numerator and different denominators. Look, 19 and 9 are different, 8 and 4 are different.
we will see the common multiple
Bravo.
between 8 and 4.
What is the common multiple between 8 and 4?
8.
8. So the first fraction, I will leave it the same because it's 8, stays 8, okay? The second one.
Yes.
Which number in table 4 give us 8?
2.
Ranim.
2. Yes,
9
2.
times 2, how much?
9 times 2 18.
18, yeah. Let's compare now. 19/8 by 18/8.
19/8 is bigger.
Is bigger, excellent. So both have same denominator. 19 is bigger than 18. 19, yani it's the same as 2 3/8. So on which day does he cover more distance?
Saturday.
Saturday, exactly. So let's say he covered, or we will write the answer down when we finish the second equation. Type. Thank you, Ranim. Rasha.
Yes, teacher.
By how
Yes.
much more? By how much more does he? يعني he covered 19/8 on Saturday more than Sunday. By how much more it's bigger? يعني 19 is bigger than 18 by how much?
1/8.
Yeah, Rasha, just Rasha.
Review Rasha.
Rasha,
Yes.
how will know how much more does he cover? By how much more? How will find the difference between both? What shall I do? We are comparing between two different things. So by how much more? What shall I do? When we see this word, how much more? What shall I do, Rasha?
We should add.
لا, we should subtract. We will find the difference between both. 19 يا رشا is more than 18 by how much it's more than 18 شو the difference between 19 و 18 1 ما هيك
Right.
so we are
Yes.
finding their difference so 19 over 8 minus 18 over 8 equals how much
Equals
1.
محمد عجاوي stay silent
Teacher, I'm muted. How?
1 over 1
It's not محمد عجاوي.
طيب أسيل 19 minus 18 يا رشا
19 minus 18 is 1 over
1
8.
over 8 thank you so now we'll write the answer so he covered 1 over 8 kilometers on which day more on which day Saturday or Sunday
Saturday.
on Saturday more than Sunday is it clear
Yes.
Yes.
Dayman, if we are comparing between two different things and I'm asking you one is more than the second by how much, I mean find the difference between both. So we have to subtract that is two distances.
Teacher,
Yes, Asir.
can you go up? Can you go up to problem
No, I
3?
can't now. I can't now. One over 8, yani, is it less or more than 1 kilometers? 1 over 8, is it less than 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer?
Less.
Less, exactly,
Less.
because it's a proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Yes. And he covered less than 1 kilometer more on Saturday. Type.
Teacher,
Now problem 8. Yes, Jawad.
رح جاوب اليوم أنا.
Maybe. Let's see. Now حسين الحاج. حسين الحاج.
Yes, teacher.
يلا read the problem 8 please.
Camelia walks along for 2 over 5 kilometers. She stops for 5 minutes. Then
Yani
she walks
And she takes a
3
rest for 5 minutes. Then she walks how many kilometers?
3 over 4 kilometers.
Okay. How much distance has she covered? So you will find the total distance. How many kilometers did she cover in all? She covered 2 over 5 kilometers. Then she covered how much?
3 over 4.
طيب حسين الحاج يا مهدي. I'm asking حسين الحاج. حسين.
Yes,
She covered 2 over 5 kilometers. Then she covered how much?
3 over 4.
Okay, so how many kilometers does she cover in all? How do we find the total distance?
We need to put 3 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4.
So we have to add the two distances. That's it. 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. So she covered 2 over 5 kilometers. Then she covered 3 over 4 kilometers. Okay. She stops for 5 minutes. She takes a rest just for 5 minutes. Then she continues. Okay.
Okay.
So in order to find the total distance, how much did she cover in all? So we have to add the two distances together. Stop. Let's check now the two. Let's change the two mixed numbers to fractions. Yeah, 2 over 5.
2 over 5 times 4.
4 times 5.
4 times 5. 20. Then 20 over 5.
لا, and you forgot to add it with 2 numerator. شو يا حسام؟
22.
عجاوي stay silent.
22 over 5.
Okay, the second one, change it to a fraction.
4 times 3. 12.
Yes.
12 plus 3. 15 over 4.
Now we are adding two fractions of different denominators. How we'll add them? We will find what?
Come on.
Yeah, Hassan.
Yes.
How will
Yes.
add 22 over 5 plus 15 over 4? Both have different denominators. What shall I do?
We need to add the denominators together.
يعني أنا بجمع 5 plus 4 9. حلو. يعني حسين أنت ما عم بتتابع معنا أبدا. نحن صار لنا أسبوعين عم نشتغل فيهم وهلا بتقلي بنعمل addition لل 5 by 4. ما عم بتتابع يا حسن. يا حسين سوري. شغلك كان أفضل السنة الماضية يا حسين. حسين سأسوق continue. How will add 22 over 5 plus 15 over 4?
We will 22 times 4.
So we have to find a common multiple. برافو حسين. So what is the common multiple between 5 and 4 يا حسين سأسوق?
5 and 4, 20.
20. برافو. So I can't add يا حسين الحاج two fractions unless they have same denominator. So we have to find the common multiple between 5 and 4. It's 20. So I will write 20 in all. Then we check which number in table 5 يا سأسوق give us 20.
4.
Which number in table 4 give us 20?
5.
Okay, 22 times 4.
22 times 4. 5.
4 times 2.
Can do it.
سأسوق
88.
88.
88.
عندنا كثير
So easy.
stuff. 15 times 5 يا سأسوق.
7.
Yes, 70.
75.
Okay. Now we can add them because both have same denominator يا حاج. 20 and 20. We add 88 plus 75. 80 plus 5 يا سأسوق. 80 plus 5.
That's
يا
it.
سأسوق.
163.
13.
13. 9 plus 7.
It will be 116.
163. برافو حسام. Thank you. So we'll answer. طيب 163 over 20 يعني how many kilometers? Let's change it to mixed number. Which number very close to 163 in table 20?
163 22.
عندنا 0 20 40 80 100
160.
في عندنا 60 كمان 60 80 100 120
160.
160.
Yes,
So
160.
So 8.
النص الأولى.
طيب 160 لل 163 we need how much?
3.
3. So it's approximately يعني she covered 8 kilometers with 3 over 20 يعني she covered more than 8 kilometers. Did you see?
Yes. We see.
So she covered more than 8 kilometers. So she
هي مثلا يمكن عم تتمرن على الماراثون.
has covered
أكيد
exactly.
أتمرن.
She has covered 3 over 20 kilometers. يلا بيبقى عندنا just one problem and we're done from all the problems.
Teacher, can you go now to problem 3?
يلا who is still writing problem 8?
Not me.
طيب I will go
Not
back.
me. Nobody.
يلا يا أسيل.
Okay. Teacher, you have number 9 homework?
No homework. يلا
What your
أسيل.
program will do?
أسيل can I move? Asil,
Teacher, on a little bit, please.
take a screenshot. I can't wait.
But teacher, this is a homework. She.
Yes, it was a homework.
Yeah, it was a homework. How she didn't write it?
I will check now today the files. If you didn't send it yet, Asil, you will take 0 point.
Teacher, I did it, but I'm checking if it's correct.
يلا الانسر 4 over 3. Is it correct? يلا الانسر 4 over 3.
Yes, yes.
Okay, done. يلا. Now the last problem اللي هي problem 11.
It's so easy.
يلا. حسين نجم. حسين نجم.
Teacher.
Read problem 11.
Okay, Rafa spent
3 over 4 hours. يعني she spent 6 hours and 3/4 of an hour in a camp. She
In a
swam for 1 hour and 1 over 4 of an hour. She did some handwork for 3.5 hours. She marched during the remaining time. For how long did she march? طب what do I mean by march? Do you know what I mean by marching?
هرولي.
What do you mean by هرولي?
لا مش راكب بطيء.
Exactly, that's it.
مشيت الجيش.
هيدي هي يا جاد، برافو. This is marching. طيب. She spent how many hours in a camp?
بس هذه اسمها هرولة، مش بطيء، ركض بطيء.
3
Yes,
over
yes,
4.
exactly. 6 to 3 over 4.
Yes, it's
طيب. She spent 6 hours with 3/4 of an hour in a camp. يعني approximately 7 hours ما هيك؟
yes.
طيب.
yes.
What did she do? What are the activities that she did in this camp?
She swam.
Swam.
Swam,
Some handwork.
handwork activity, and what? Marching.
March.
طيب. So it's look like the problem 1.
Yes.
طيب. So she spent 6 3/4 of an hour in a camp. How many hours did she spend in a swimming?
1 over 4. 1 over 4.
1 over 4. يعني 1 hour and quarter of an hour.
Half and quarter.
Handwork activity.
3 1 over 2.
3.5 hours.
3 hours and a half.
We will find how long did she march. The marching هو remaining time. ما هيك الوقت اللي بيبقى بتعمل فيه
Yes.
marching صح؟
Yes.
هو remaining
Teacher,
time.
can I did it? Can I?
Minus.
We have to
سام نجم. سام نجم. نجم.
At the swam and had
سام نجم.
Yes.
What shall I do first?
Minus.
قبل ما بلش شو بدك تعمل subtraction لشو يا حسين؟
للفراكشن لازم تحولنا fraction.
What we don't know how many hours does she spend in swimming and handwork activity. In both activities, how many hours did she spend?
Plus them.
We will add them together, then we will find the remaining time. Okay?
Yes. Then we will make a
We will add the
minus.
3 over 1
Minus
over
by the
3.
total. يا رنيم يعني أنا كم واحد بدي أسمع please teacher. It's not time to work all of us together. Now Hussein Najm's turn. You did يا رنيم. So let's add first. Let's add first to know how many hours does she spend in both swimming and handwork activity. يلا. So we'll add 1 over 4 by 3.5 hours.
شو
يلا.
الهاندورك يا مس؟
What?
شو الهاندورك؟
يعني عمل يدوي. يلا. 1 over 4. Change it to a fraction.
Hi.
Teacher, can I do it? Can I do it?
لا يا حسن.
Teacher.
حسين نجم يلا. حسين.
Yes.
يلا hurry up. طيب حسين خليل continue please. حسين
Yes,
خليل
teacher. أنا
continue.
حسين نجم my iPad was out of battery.
طيب.
We times 1 by 4.
Okay. 1 times 4.
4 plus 1 5.
5 over 4. Then
3 times 2 5 plus
6.
1
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1 7.
7 over 2. شو يا حسين ناجم ليه ما اشتغلتها؟ طيب how do we continue يا حسين خليل؟
And now we should find the common denominator between 4 and 2.
Excellent. What is the common denominator between 4 and 2?
8.
Or 4. كل ما اخترنا الرقم أصغر كل ما بيكون الفراكشن easier. So the first fraction I will keep it the same. Which number in table 2 يا حسين خليل give us 4?
2.
7 times 2.
Yes.
7 times 2.
Equal 7 times 14.
5 plus 14.
5 plus 14, 19.
19 over 4. Okay, thank you. طيب ال 19 over 4 يعني how many hours?
You have to do it to a mixed number.
Exactly, bravo Zahra, I'm proud of you. Which number very close to 19 in table 4?
16.
16. Which number give us 16 in table 4?
4.
4.
4 hours.
19. So 4 hours يعني more than 4 hours. 4 hours and 3 quarters. And approximately 5 hours she took. يعني how much do we still have? And how many hours are left in order to make marching? Approximately how many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours approximately. طيب let's find
approximately 5.
approximately لا remaining time يا جاد. Approximately 5 she
Yes,
did
4 3 over 4.
both swimming and handwork activity.
Yes, 4 3 over 4.
Yes. طيب let's find now the remaining time. يلا يا حسن جابر.
Yes, teacher.
How will find the remaining time?
We have.
إيه
Teacher,
حسن.
are you hearing?
Yes,
are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
We have to add 19.
لا remaining time. يعني الوقت اللي بيبقى هي حتعمل فيه marching يا حسن. So how many hours does she spend on marching? So what shall I do? حسن جبارة. جود أسعد.
Teacher.
جواد شمس الدين.
Yes.
جواد, what shall I do to find the remaining time?
ما فهمت منيح عشان قطعت عندي الكهرباء.
طيب جاد الحريري. What shall I do now يا جاد?
We subtract 6 3 over 4 hours from 19 from 4 3 over 4.
From 4 3 over 4 exactly. Okay.
You should turn them into fraction.
Teacher, I will tell you an easy way. No need to turn it to a fraction. Here, do we have the same 3 over 4, 3 over 4?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just subtract 6 minus 4, how much?
6. Yes. How? Yes.
How much?
4.
Like 2.
2.
That's it. The answer will be 2. Okay? لما يكون عندنا same fraction, just subtract the whole number. 6 minus 4, it's 2. So, she took
That's what I
hours.
do.
Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy. That's what I do.
So,
The answer that she marched 2 hours.
Yes, she marched
Oh,
for 2 hours.
Okay.
I will repeat يا جواد شمس الدين. We said that here Rafa went to the camp. She spent 6 hours and 3/4 in this camp. She did activities. She swam. She did some handwork activity. She marched in a camp. Okay?
Yes.
So the remaining time الوقت اللي بيبقى معها هي حتعمل marching.
عملت انتم.
So first in the first equation we did how many hours did she spend in both activities اللي هن swimming والhandwork, so we add them both. Okay? Then we will find now the remaining time يعني الوقت اللي بيبقى, so we have to subtract the answer by the total اللي هو 6 3/4.
بقي معها ساعتين 2 hours.
Yes, بقي معها ساعتين, بهدول الساعتين بتعمل marching.
Okay.
أمير عودي, did you attend أمير?
Can we do more problem?
No more problems. Now we have finished from the problems. Clearly problems يا teacher?
easy.
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher,
Okay.
say lessons till Monday.
Now page يلا finish and let's start a new page. On Monday, yes, a new lesson.
Yeah. Teacher, we have 1 minute.
1 minute? Yes.
Yeah, we have only 1 minute.
Yes, ما حسينا بالوقت.
دغري بيمرق وقت.
اشتغل كتير problems كنا.
حقيقة يعني مثلا حسيت في كتير.
أنا حسيت بس بس اشتغلنا يعني
Do you have more periods for today?
Yes.
We have 1 period.
10
احنا عندنا FT.
Okay. Okay.
We have exam and we have the last period.
Yeah.
طيب. Who is still writing this problem?
Goodbye, teacher.
يوسف ما تنساش
Bye, teacher. See you on Monday.
ما الحقيقة يا جروب انت فتح.